Yeah, I'd like to correct yung whatever news report came out that I said something about inbound.
Mhm.
I always said that as far as inbound is concerned, wala pa po tayo advanced, hindi pa umuusad ang pinag-uusapan tungkol sa inbound maliban sa the same status quo na pinapayagan lamang po natin sa inbound ay yun lamang ang mga Filipinos coming home
Hmm.
at yung if as an exemption yung mga those coming here for work at ma-establish na talagang it is work related, no.
Mhm.
Tapos yung Filipino can bring foreign spouse and the Filipino can bring children, yung children niya, no.
Uh-huh.
So ang priority pa ng gobyerno as far as inbound is concerned are OFWs, Filipinos coming home. So yun pa lang ang priority natin. Hindi pa, yun pa yung status ko with regard to the pag-uusap about coming in for tourism or etc. Hindi pa po handa ang IATF dyan. I made that
Mhm.
very clear.
Okay.
I also said that ang napag-usapan na sa aming IATF ay yung outbound Filipinos. And
Hmm.
totoo nga, in principle, meron na po kaming mga napagkasunduan, meron lang po kaming ina-iron out na mga detalye tungkol sa outbound. And outbound is yung paglabas mula sa Pilipinas doon sa receiving country as long as the receiving country ay tumatanggap ng Pilipino. Diba? So syempre, it's a relationship between the Philippines and the
That's
receiving
yeah.
country. And there are some receiving countries that accept Filipinos, that do not accept foreigners. So it really depends on the receiving country. But we have to set the protocols lamang kung ano ba ang test na kailangan, ano ba ang certification na kailangan before siya lilipad paalis ng bansang Pilipinas. So yun ang napag-usapan. Ang inbound, hindi pa po tayo handa.
Alright, kasi
Ang
yung
outbound, ang napag-usapan na.